Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use Enhanced Privacy Dashboard on Android 16. On your device you want to go to Settings application. Now let's scroll until you see Security and Privacy section. Now let's select Privacy Dashboard. Now in the top right you want to tap on this three-dot button and select Show 7 days. So here you'll see detailed timeline for location, camera, and microphone access over the last 7 days. So additionally, you can see other permissions. You will see expanded list. So that's it. I really hope this video helps you. And if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.